My children would stand up and pray for me and ask for prayer for me as sweetly and earnestly and lovely as you did. Young Jordan, God bless you. You know, when Sunday night I was in church and everything was so beautiful and everything was so lovely, and I said, well, okay, I feel good. I put on the helmet of salvation. I put on the armor of the Lord, but I'm going to have to go out in the world and spend about 48 or 72 hours and get some help fixing my car and putting things back together. And I knew everybody who had offered. I said, boy, the spirit is willing, but the Bible teach me that the flesh is weak. Don't bother leave them with everything, especially something that you need. So I watched over them. But you know, when I was in the house of a friend, I was amazed to see how the children have headphones and rap music and a constant barrage of messages and bad words and rude things constantly. And the parents are like, this is the way of the world. This is how things are. And the children curse. They curse like a sailor. They curse worse than what they heard down in Cortez at the docks. I was amazed. So when I come back to church now, and last night I caught the end of the graduation services here, and you know, I see a young man stand up here and thanked everybody around him. He thanked his mother and his father. He thanked his aunt and uncle for the summers that they encouraged him. He thanked everybody, and for years the young man maintained a 4.0 average, and he never ceased to pick up a guitar and play and praise the Lord. And I thought, what happened to this young man that didn't happen to these? That's a graduation of Tabernacle Christian School. What a blessing. When you sit here, if it's even 5 minutes of it you caught, or 2 hours of it, you have to sit in awe. Beautiful. So lovely. It just renewed everything decent and wonderful about not only young people, but about those who care enough to encourage others. Praise the Lord that He delivered me here. Praise the Lord that these children are blessed in this school. What a difference. What a difference. I would like to ask for prayer tonight. My mother has completely turned my daughter against me, saying that I'm so peculiar, I'm beyond prayer and help and love. Just because you can't understand the direction that I'm going. I don't understand it, but I said yes to the Lord, and the Lord delivered me right here and said, I'm going to show you another way to praise me and love me. You won't be around your blood brothers and sisters, but you are a daughter of the Most High, and you will be amongst those who are with me, who are for me and always for me, and I thank the Lord for that. God is in control and God is able, and just praise that my mother and my daughter will have wisdom, and if not, I stand with the Bible when Christ said, those who leave mother and father, sister and brother for me will be more than blessed. And we praise the Lord for that.